Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 6. This is me your teacher Mushtaq Ahmad at Vera Foundation College, Noshar Firoz, subject teacher computer. Dear students, in last lecture we studied about some pointing devices and in today's lecture we are going to discuss or define some digiting or scanning devices. So dear students, pointing devices and digiting or scanning devices, both types of devices are known as input devices. And input devices are used to enter data into the computer, and these devices are used to store data into the computer for a long time. So dear students, in today's lecture we are going to discuss about graphics tablet and an optical scanner. So dear students, now we are going to discuss these devices on book page number 16 and 17. Dear students, here there is the first topic that is based on the graphics tablet, and second one is the optical scanner. So dear students, first of all we are going to define or discuss about the graphics tablet. That graphics tablet is a board. Graphics tablet is a board covered by a touch sensitive screen. So dear students, this one picture belongs to the graphics tablet, and this is just like a board and is covered with a sensitive touch screen. So dear students, we can also take the function of input from the touch sensitive screen, and dear students, there is a stylus and a pointer on this board. So dear students, stylus and poke is like a mouse device. Stylus and poke are used to draw directly. Stylus and poke are used to draw some items or some things directly onto the computer or tablet. So dear students, this one device is also known as an input device, and this device is also known as the digiting or scanning device. Graphics tablet is used to make maps and drawings. So dear students, we have discussed here graphics tablet, and now we are going to define or discuss about an optical scanner. So dear students, in market or in the places where the scanners are used, there are different types of the scanners, but two of them are discussed here. Number one is an optical scanner, second one is a portable scanner, and third one scanner is also used here, that is a fillet bed scanner. So dear students, first of all we have to define that what is a scanner. Scanner is known as the converter data that is used to convert printed or handwritten text, diagrams or photos or other materials into a digital form, and these devices are used to transfer the items directly to the computer. So dear students, scanners are the scanning or digiting devices that are used to convert the objects, the items, just like printed or handwritten text, diagrams, photographs or other things into a digital form, and dear students, these devices are used to transfer the things or the objects directly to the computer. Dear students, here we are going to discuss about an optical scanner. Optical scanner is also one of the scanners that is used to convert printed or handwritten text, diagrams, photos and other forms of data into the computer. And dear students, second one is a portable scanner. Portable scanner is one of the scanning devices or the types of the scanner that is used to drag something carefully over the image to scan it. So dear students, a portable scanner is like a handheld device. And dear students, third one is a fillet bed scanner. Fillet bed scanner is larger. It consists of a glass pane and a cover. So dear students, we have discussed here two types of scanning or digiting devices. Number one is graphics tablet, second one is a fillet bed scanner. So dear students, we have discussed both types of the devices and your lecture ends here. Some homework is given to you that you will have to do and send me on our WhatsApp group. Dear students, your homework is that this one picture is known as a fillet bed scanner that is shown in front of you. Your homework is that you will have to make this picture in colorful conditions and you will have to send me on our WhatsApp group. So dear students, this is your homework to make the picture of scanner that is present on book page number 17. You will make this and send me on our WhatsApp group. Your lecture ends here and we will meet in next lecture. Still Allah Hafiz. Dear students, Assalamu Alaikum.